Yung mistake mo in the past, magiging strength mo yun in the
In
future.
the future, yeah.
If you failed, ikaw yun.
Yes.
If you succeed, ikaw pa rin yun.
Ikaw pa rin.
Walang kinalaman yung ibang tao ron. Walang kinalaman yung opinion nila.
Yes.
So between God, the real situation, the scenario, what happened in the past. May kasabihin pag di ka raw lumingon sa pinanggalingan mo, hindi ka makakarating sa paroroonan mo. O ito natutunan ko, if you keep looking backward at your past, you cannot reach your
You
destiny.
cannot reach your destination.
Maliwanag sa Bible, hindi after sa Lord sa past mo.
Exactly.
Hindi siya after sa present mo, after siya sa future. I've witnessed, hindi to sour graping or just to defend, no. Walang tao, nobody commit no mistakes. Wala pa siya sa mistake. Okay, yung the first lap ng buhay niya, second lap, okay.
Yes.
Ang malungkot, last lap na sumablay.
Yeah.
Pero hindi pa rin natin pwede i-blame Hangga't buhay Meron naman puro sablay. Pero
Hindi,
before the finish line, maayos.
napatas yung kamay ko kasi parang dinidescribe ako ni Pastor.
Sabi may saying God is not impressed on how we started the race.
Yeah.
He is more interested on how we finish it.
Okay.
Kasi pag tinignan natin yung past, hindi madidepress ka sir. Alam mo mangyayari sa iyo? Wala, anxiety, worry, and
Lahat.
you will end your life.
We're
Kasi
talking
wala na
about
parang
apektado ang mental health. Parang yung
Apektado.
sinasabi ko na kanina.
kaya kailangan balansehin mo yung emotion mo and then your intellect, the mind and the heart.
So, how do you maintain? So, nandito ka na. You are standing as a shepherd, guiding sheep. How do you maintain your path?
Unang-una, hindi ko pinangarap umakyat dito magtayo ng church, no? 2018, June 2018, nag-separate kami September 2017. Tapos tapos 2018 pumunta ako dito kay Pastor Adi, isang my good friend. Alam niyo nangyari? Rest lang ako. Lakad-lakad lang ako diyan. Sabi ko isang backpack lang dala ko, isang backpack lang. 2018. From that time, di na ako nakabalik Nagtuloy-tuloy na
So, from 2018 until
hanggang
now?
tuloy na. And the rest of the people know my story. Alam mo, we cannot mock God. Hindi ka pwedeng magkunwari Hindi ka pwedeng magpanggap.
Yes.
Tapos gamit mo word of God. Hindi ka tatagal. Baka isang buwan na hindi ka na tumagal Ang measuring rod ko diyan, hindi yung critics, hindi yung insults, hindi yung tawag dito, hindi yung opinion ng iba. How God provide my need, personal need, the need of our church, church group of people for 3 years. We rent place. At hindi barya ang rent dito. See? Kung ito hindi pinagagawa ni Lord, tatagal pa sir.
Tama.
Isang backpack lang dala ko O ngayon, tinamandaan ko ng gamit. Paano ko hakutin lahat yan?